So that I only have to say the long title once. We're going to discuss maximizing engagement with interactive content on WordPress. See, that's a big mouthful. Here we go. So there's the Google document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, you can get a look at that. And basically what it is it's a list of all the different plugins you can get to conduct what they call interactive magic. And that's the secret sauce that you put into your WordPress-powered blog to make the visits go up, the engagement last longer, etc. Interactive content, that's the key to the lock. And if you've got implemented that, then there's your homework. I've got them, so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.